The programs offered in the Department of English and Foreign Languages is not just an assortment of different courses put together, but it's more like a vibrant ecosystem of intellectual explorations where, different things, for instance, literature, culture, art, comics, graphic novels, cinematic studies, a lot of things converges together. In the heart of our teaching and learning approach, we believe that true understanding comes only when one embraces diversity and one embraces the spirit of interdisciplinary inquiry. In our classrooms, when you walk in, you'll see one day a student is indulging in the nuances of Shakespeare and sonnets, and the other day you'll find that particular student perhaps delving into the intricacies of Japanese grammar. So this is how our curriculum is designed. It's designed in such a manner that fosters a deep appreciation for different kind of foreign languages, cultures, and so on. And it's not just Japanese language which is offered here in our department, but also other foreign languages like Russian, French to start with, which is offered in the Department of English and Foreign Languages. However, it is not just about what we teach, but the way we do so. Our faculty members here are not just the mentors or the guides or educators, but they are also fellow learners in their journey. And with the rich backgrounds that they have, with the diverse experience they have in the field, they bring to the table a lot of experience, a lot of passion, a lot of, like a wealth of knowledge, which not just inspires the student to communicate well or think critically, but also enables them to embrace the complexities of a globalized world where boundaries blur and where diversity is something which is celebrated. Whether you're drawn to the eloquence of English literature or the allure of foreign languages, or the visual storytelling of comics, graphic novels, or cinema for that matter, or popular culture, there is a place for you in the Department of English and Foreign Languages where the possibilities are endless.